Noah and Daniel here in beautiful Redwood National Park. We're going to be showing you a couple of trails and hikes in this beautiful part of the country.
Well, we're at Blue Lake Hotel and Casino. We're on our way to Redwood National Park. Check out this balcony in our hotel room. It is a very, very small balcony. It's wild. This is the room. I made the bed so it looks a little bit better. There's a coffee maker over there. The light above the bed is pretty cool. The TV is in a weird spot because it's not directly in front of the bed. It is right there. Chair. Yeah, my car. And, oh wait. That's a pretty cool barn. And there's a refrigerator and the microwave. And Noah's in the shower, so I can't show you that. It's pretty cool. We're on our way to Redwood National Park. What are we across from? The fitness center? Mm-hmm. This is the bathroom. A big mirror. This cool makeup light thing that we're never going to use. Walk-in shower. Toilet. Other things. Look at this cool freaking table in the lobby of this casino. There's a magnet going around in the center of the table, or well, all over the table, making these cool patterns. Look at this one over here. This one just started, and it's making a dragonfly, or a butterfly, I guess. I don't know. It's probably a dragonfly. That's so cool. I've never seen tables like this before. It's cool. Oh, it's red. The way Noah's cleaning my windshield. That hotel and casino was really nice. It exceeded our expectations. We will definitely stay here again. Last night I put $5 in the machine and got all the way up to like $2.20, but I cashed out this morning with 50 bucks.
What do you want, a bacon sausage cheese griddle? We have a Mountain Mike's pizza.
We got our coffee.
What is that? Oh, foam.
You can see the ocean through the trees over there.
I hope that's it. Whoa, look at that big mushroom. What is
Well, that was the trail that we went down. And it led to this lagoon and the ocean.
That one's not ready.
Skip it. Oh, I couldn't see you were in the way.
Ready?
Huh?
It's a long skip.
Yeah? Look at that rock way out there. Try to zoom out so you can see. Damn, that's crazy. It was way out there. Going back up. Look at all those elk. That's pretty cool. Right alongside the highway. Like there's no... We're heading to the visitor center right now for Redwood National Park.
We have a variety of the greatest hits. Cool 105.
We made it to the visitor center.
Great station that is.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. One of the main reasons we came up here was to get one of these maps. We've been here a few other times, but we haven't got one of these maps yet. We tried to get one from every national park that we go to. We finally got Redwood. Well, now we have to go back to Sequoia and Kings Canyon to get one of those. But now we're going to go out and do some trails. We're going to take Bald Hills Road into the Redwood and see what we can find. I also had to get 2 magnets. I usually get magnets when I go to national parks. So right back behind the visitor center there is this pretty big beach. Do you like it? You know we've been to 18 national parks together. I don't know if this is considered number 18 since we've been here, but it's 18. We're in a national park at the beach. This is pretty cool. Look at Noah getting close to the water.
My foot things are going.
Yeah.
Continue on Bald Hills Road for 3 miles.
We're at the Ladybird Johnson Grove. We're about to go over that bridge right there.
If you know the name of the flower, comment below. Tree hugger.
That one's huge. Go stand next to it, Noah. That's a pretty big tree. This, and then the ocean's right there.
Right where? I don't see the ocean. Do you guys see the ocean? I can see it. It's all the way over there.
Well, you can actually see it.
You sure
I
can.
didn't know that. These 3 trees. Okay, maybe not that one back there, but holy crap. They're big ass trees. Oh, that was nice. Dedication site.
Come check this out with your camera. Just the whole thing is kind of weird.
Whoa.
Richard Nixon presented this.
Well, there's the dedication site. There's the bridge again.
Do you think it gets snow here?
Yeah.
Dude, they're like only playing good songs.
Yeah, this radio's a good one. So many flowers. Pretty. There's a lot of people here.
I tried popping your trunk.
We're hiking to Trillium Falls now. There's a bunch of people in the parking lot. Man, the flowers don't come up on the camera. There's a bunch of these little white flowers. We're not taking that trail.
That one looks like a redwood. You see the redwood?
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then these trees make no sense. They did not want to spread out at all. Look at them, there's like 10 of them right on top of one another.
There. Oh, wow. That's crazy. And they're all still really big.
Can you believe somebody had to bring all of those stones all the way up this nice, moist, steep slope?
Oh my God.
You're as cold as ice. I told you twice.
You can never lose Noah in the forest.
Following me. It's dripping.
Well, that is really cool.
There it is, Trillium Falls.
Oh my God, that's not it. This is pretty cool though, underneath a tree.
And through a tree.
Yeah, there's more people coming. Oh, he's running. Whoa. Wow, this is really cool. All those ferns down there. Yep. That was a lot to try to say. We might get a little glimpse right here.
Look at the tree.
Whoa, that is pretty cool. It looks very furry. I do believe that is Trillium Falls. Pretty cool. Let's see, zoom out for a little bit. Yeah. Very pretty. Ooh. Dripping moss.
And then like a 4-leaf clover. See, 1, 2, 3, 4.
The old people are still standing there. You're coming up on another bridge. A different bridge, not the same one as before.
You know what I mean? Right?
What are you gonna say?
Is your YouTube channel called Outback Adventures or not?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can't get the grin off my face. Okay. All right, this is Noah and Daniel here from Outback Adventures, and this is the first time we tried this, so hopefully he uploads it.
And apparently this is the John B. DeWitt Grove. The sign's bigger than the rest of them for some reason.
It's undisturbed. Touch it with the camera.
Here's another bridge.
Ooh, somebody just come out here with a shovel.
There's another bridge. We just crossed another bridge. This is the best memorial we've seen so far.
Got a whole bench and everything. But I still would live there.
Yeah? You would live here?
Yeah, look at my back window. Or my back door. Look, I'm talking about a back door. Escape hatch.
Oh.
Skipping in the forest.
Here's another bridge. I haven't been recording all the bridges. I think we passed 2 other bridges, or 3. But there's been a lot on this trail so far. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm just starting out my channel and I'm trying to gain subscribers.